Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. We are at Walt Disney World's Hollywood Studios and about to go on Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance. You are going to see this ride in its entirety from start to finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get all the latest content. And comment below with which ride you would like to see next. This ride opened on December 5th, 2019 and cost an estimated $500 million to build. Personally, this ride has become one of my favorites, and I don't even like Star Wars. I haven't even seen a Star Wars movie in its entirety, but I absolutely love the technology used on this ride, and the set is massive. Fun fact, because the building covers 165,000 square feet, it required the largest concrete pour in Disney history. I also love the immersive storyline throughout the queue. Usually I don't put a lot of the queue in these videos, but with this ride, the queue is part of the ride. So enjoy the ride and may the Force be with you.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Affirmative. Jet 3, you are clear for launch. This is your final call. I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara. Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. You're looking at that, Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, where you at? There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to cut him away! Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? They're looking out there. One in there. Star Destroyers. Get out of there! We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in. I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong. Is there anything we can do, Nine-Nom? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance spies. The ship is now under the command of the First Order. We'll exit and head down the right corridor for processing and interrogation. Find the transport. Once there's space for you, you'll make a U-turn and face forward while exiting. Do not back out. Now spies, get out. Get off the ship. Go, move, leave. Thought less syllables would have been easier.
This room is massive and holds 50 stormtroopers, all of which adds to the intimidation and the tension. In this next scene, check out the details with the shadows up top.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
The long silence builds the suspense.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Last seen at level B.
Take cover, recruits.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffold's pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
And that was Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this.
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Until next time, thank you for watching.